Hello everyone, welcome to Nameables. Early man always tried to cut out laborious tasks and save time. And this led us to many very creative inventions like machines and robots, so much that in today's day and age, a life without fine technologies is unimaginable. Thinking of robots, you might exclude ancient scientists completely and only take into account modern labs and cutting-edge technologies. If so, give it a second thought, because the father of robotics, who revolutionized engineering, lived about 800 years ago. Ismail Al-Jazari, Muslim inventor, engineer, artist, and polymath, was born in 12th century in present-day Turkey. He invented the very first programmable analog machine in recorded history, a musical robot band, a boat with 4 automatic musicians that floated on a lake. With this, he gave birth to the concept of automated machines or robots. He was also known as the most knowledgeable engineer of clocks. His most famous clock was the elephant water clock, a fully functional and accurate clock that incorporated different symbols from different cultures and countries. A large wooden Indian elephant, supporting a tower building with 2 Chinese serpents, an Egyptian phoenix, 3 Arabian figures, and Persian carpets. The movements of the clock were regulated with a then mind-blowing mechanism in a tank inside the wooden elephant's body. A flowing bowl with a small hole in it. As it slowly submerges every half an hour, it quickly tilts, sinks, and triggers a more dramatic sequence of events. He also invented more than 50 different types of labor-saving devices, including hand-washing devices for taking ablutions and systems for raising water, like the automatic double-action pump. The reason why we know so much of Al-Jazari's inventions is because he was the first mechanic to actually document and illustrate all of his inventions and how they worked. His most famous book, called Knowledge of Ingenious Devices, is still preserved and translated into different languages. Another very interesting contraption described in the book is an automated waitress that served drinks. The drink was stored in a tank, was poured into a bucket, then a cup, and finally was served by a robot through an opening of 2 automated doors. Al-Jazari's pioneer incorporation of complicated systems of levers, weights, and pulleys influenced many engineers after him. The most brilliant aspect of Al-Jazari's machines are the mechanisms, components, ideas, methods, and design features they employ. His skillful use of camshafts, crankshafts, slider cranks, and segmental gears is pioneering. Science historians today agree that Da Vinci, born 2 centuries after Al-Jazari, used his detailed accounts of robots as inspiration for his inventions, such as the mechanical knight. While today the idea of independently moving and acting robots seems out of this world to many, it is always worth remembering that Al-Jazari succeeded in building robots that could do just that 800 years ago. So till next time. Whoa, easy boy.